Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to upload files in GitHub. Uploading files is essential for managing a project, sharing updates and collaborating with others on GitHub. So let's get started. First, go to github.com. Navigate to the top right corner, then click on the profile icon. Then select your profile. Once your profile opens, go to the Repositories section. Select the repository in which you want to upload your files. After selecting your repository, look for the link that says Upload an existing file and click on it. Now click on Choose your files. Select a file from your computer to upload. Now your file is being uploaded in your repository. After the file is uploaded, scroll down and click on Commit Changes. And that's how you can upload files in GitHub. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.